So in this video, we are going to discuss the alternative of Shopify CLI, which is Shopify Theme Kit. Prior to Shopify CLI, Shopify Theme Kit was the best tool to create Shopify themes. If you search for Shopify Theme Kit, you will land on this page. It says Theme Kit is deprecated and theme developers should use Shopify CLI for theme development. But the day of recording this video, which is 3rd of March 2026, this works fine. I mean, in future it will be deprecated, or maybe there would be no support, but this works fine. So here on this page you will find the getting started link. If you click on this link, you will find and the documentation how you can install theme. So on Windows you can install theme using Choco install theme kit. So you can run this command. I have already installed Shopify theme kit on my system. To work with Shopify theme kit, let's open our editor and let's say we are working with this current theme. So what we need to do here is we need to get this theme ID. So to get the theme ID, we can click on edit code and you can see we have ID here. So this is the theme ID. Let's open the folder structure, and in this Shopify theme, I'm going to create a new folder. Let's say Shopify theme kit. So let's enter and open this folder in the terminal like this, and let me open this in the editor also. Let me close this editor and open this theme, this folder in the code editor. So now here we need to create a file. Let's create a new file. The name of this file is config.yml. So here we need to add some let's say instructions so that we can link this our local theme to the live theme. First of all, we need to write, let's say, development like this, and then we need a password, and here we need to add password, and then we need theme ID, and then we need the store URL. Okay, so we need this information here in this file. From where we can get this password? We have the ID, we have the store. So let's fill this information first. So we have this ID. Let me copy the theme ID and paste that here. Then we need the store. The store we can get from, let's say, if I preview the store. So this is my store URL. Let me copy this and paste that here. So it should be without HTTPS, and we need to remove this backslash also. So let's open the development store. Here we need to install an app. So we can search for, let's say, Shopify theme access app. Okay, so we can click on this in the Shopify app store. We have this app. It's free to use, so you can install this file. I have already installed this app here, so let's open that. So if we click here, you can find we have an option to create a password. So click on this button. Here we need to give the developer name. Let's give it my name here and the email ID. So let me add my email ID here. So let's click on this create password. So this will send us an email that contains the password. Okay, so let me open my email ID and you will receive an email. You can see we have that email here, and we can click on this get the password button from the email and click on this show password. We can copy the password and paste the password here like this. Let me save this. Now our this local folder is linked to the live store. Now let's try to run a command. Let's say theme download. I think I misspelled this theme download. So let me fix this. Okay, now if I press enter, you can see the message here, but still works fine. It is downloading all the files from our from the development store. The files with the theme ID, this is downloaded. You can see we have all the files here. Now how we can edit and upload the file. So here we can run the command theme watch, and we need to add a flag here which is allow live. So when we are working with the live theme, we need to pass this flag. If you are working any theme which is not live, you can run simply theme watch command. So if I press enter, this will create a link between our live store and the development store. So now let's me close this one. So now you can see we have this theme, we have this store. The current theme is, let me open the themes. You can see we have this clarity theme here. Now what we can do is we can edit any file here. Let's say section and open header. So you can see we have added this code. Let me add one more h1 here. Like this, I can write this is from Shopify theme kit. Let me hit save. If I open the terminal, you can see two messages here, like processing, section header.liquid, and updated. When you get this updated message, this means the file is updated and uploaded to the live theme. Now if we go there, if you go to the front end and refresh the page, you will see we have Shopify. You can see we have this one updated here. So if you're not comfortable with the Shopify CLI and still you can work with Shopify theme kit, but in future this is going to be deprecated. I think this is going to be stopped working. Maybe, I'm not sure about that, but you can use it. But my personal preference is to use Shopify CLI.